What is this? Choo-choo.
Train.
Good job. How about this one?
Octopus.
Octopus. Good job.
Heart.
Oh, what is this insect?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. How about this one? What is the number?
8.
Good job. Oh, yummy. What is this?
Cake.
Cupcake. How about what is this number? Samuel, look at this one. What is the number?
3.
3. Oh, what's the number?
5.
Good job. Oh, is this animal?
3.
What's the animal?
Brown.
Cow.
Blue.
Moo. How about this one? What's the number?
Dog.
What's the number?
7.
Good job. Oh, what is this animal?
Dog.
Dog. How about
Hot
hot
dog.
dog? Two hot dog. What's the shape?
What?
My
Heart.
heart. Oh, what is this? Eyeglasses. How about this one? Pen. Galing naman. Oh, what is this shape? Triangle. How about this one? Apple. How about this one? Fish. How about this one? Sheep. What does the sound of the sheep? Okay. Okay. Good job. All done. Thank you.